Okay, not a lot of people kind of get into this mechanism, so I just want to touch on it really quickly for step one so you can get this question right. So, calcineurin inhibitors. So, calcineurin is like a switch that turns on T cell activation by helping to make IL-2. And so, normally when a T cell is activated by an antigen, it needs to produce IL-2, and that helps it grow and multiply. But to do this, a T cell activates calcineurin, which is a special enzyme inside of the cell. Calcineurin removes the lock, which is like the phosphate, from the NFAT, a protein that helps it turn into the IL-2 gene. So the NFAT moves into the nucleus and it turns on the IL-2 gene, and then IL-2 is made. So calcineurin inhibitors like tacrolimus, cyclosporin will block this process, and they stop calcineurin from activating NFAT. So the IL-2 never gets made, T cells can't grow, immune system is suppressed. So it's used in transplants to prevent rejection. And so think of it like a light switch. If it's on, if calcineurin is on, IL-2 is made and T cells grow. If it's off, no IL-2 is made, no T cells can grow. Okay, so IL-2 is great. It's like growth for the T cells. 29-year-old woman with end-stage renal due to lupus undergoes kidney transplant. And they give her this medication, and it targets mTOR, so we know it's Sirolimus, and this drug specifically blocks IL-2. This does IL-2. That does IL-2. This does IL-2. Actually, yeah, that's right. So cyclosporin and tacrolimus, these guys are nephrotoxic. And cyclosporin is used for psoriasis and rheumatoid arthritis. Tacrolimus is used for immunosuppression after an organ transplant, but it's nephrotoxic. They both are. And rituximab is for B cells. So who really cares about that? Sirolimus, that's what it's known for. A kidney transplant rejection prophylaxis, specifically Sirbasal, because it's basiliximab and Sirolimus are two really great drugs for the kidney transplant prophylaxis. So a way to remember this is the kidney survives. Sirolimus, the kidney survives. And so mTOR inhibitors bind FKBP, and they block T cell activation and B cell differentiation by inhibiting IL-2. So that's going to be our answer. It's also kidney protective, and so that means we are good to go. Mycophenolate reversibly inhibits IMP dehydrogenase, preventing purine synthesis of B and T cells. And so it's associated with like CMV infection. So other immunosuppressants. All right, well, hopefully that was helpful. If it was, like and subscribe.